Guess where we are today? Hi guys, Pascal here again from Rent London Flat. Today I can't wait to show you this stunning studio apartment overlooking the London Eye. So guys, here is for the integrated kitchen. Over here we have a fridge. Above the fridge we also have some storage with some nice wood finish. Here we have the dishwasher, for those of you who don't like washing up. Over here, which I also love, is the wine cooler, for those of you wine drinkers. We also have a small microwave oven over here. And my favourite bit, which I've saved till last, is this. Look at that, just to cover your sink with a nice fully induction hob. Right, look at all of this storage. It's not often you have a studio flat with this much storage. You also have the lights that come on, which is good. More storage here. Your intercom. And lastly, in this cupboard you have your heating and aircon. And here is where you have your washer dryer and your Wi-Fi. Nice, neat and tucked away. Guys, look at this bathroom, look at just how cute it is. We have a lovely walk-in shower, bright finish, nice marble tiles and the mirror behind me. Guys, we saved the best till last. Now look at this view.